Hi everyone. Joining us today is Dr. David Geldmacher of the University of Alabama at Birmingham. He is new in town. So Dr. Geldmacher, what brings you here?
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here. I've come to town to be the head of the Memory Disorders Division at UAB and focusing on leading the Memory Disorders Clinic program there.
It sounds like it's definitely needed. I was just looking at this statistic saying that Alabama's Alzheimer's disease population is expected to increase by 31% in the next 15 years. What are you guys doing to kind of head off this upward trend?
Well, it's a major need in Alabama to care for folks with memory disorders and related conditions. So we've got a memory disorders clinic. This is an expert specialty clinic. It's the only one in the state that really focuses on these issues of memory loss in the aging population and helping to differentiate what might be normal versus what might be a more ominous disease-oriented memory difficulty.
Let's talk about that. What are some signs of normal aging versus not?
Everyone's memory does change as they get older, and one of the things that happens is we might block on a name or a word now and again. But our everyday function remains persistent, and we can do the things we used to do. However, when illnesses begin to cause memory problems, people often lose their functional abilities and can't do what they once did easily.
You know, if someone has already seen a neurologist, what additional things does the Memory Disorders Clinic do versus, you know, what maybe have done and what they start out with?
So our neurologists are specialty trained in the evaluation of memory disorders. We partner with primary care physicians to help guide and manage the care over the long term. And we're part of a team that involves cutting edge researchers and diagnostic tests and all sorts of things that are not available in the average doctor's office.
Okay, let's talk about those diagnostic tests, so, such as
there are sophisticated imaging tests that are available, and we participate in some of the national research initiatives on that. Also, neuropsychological assessment, which is detailed testing of memory and related functions to try and understand where a person's strengths and weaknesses lie so that we can use those strengths to offset their weaknesses.
Okay. Is there any advice that you can give to anyone watching in how to kind of protect your memory?
There are many things that we can do to keep our memory sharp as we grow older. Staying physically active, staying mentally active, being engaged in the world around us, maintaining social relationships. Interestingly, eating a healthy diet may also help keep our mind healthy, and take care of other health conditions. Make sure that high blood pressure and high cholesterol and diabetes are being well managed. All of those can help us stay healthy mentally as well as physically as we get older.
And we're all getting older each and every day, every single one of us. Well, we'd like to thank you for joining us today and wish you luck in your new role.
Thank you very much. It's my pleasure.
Lots of information there, and thanks so much to Christy Sanders again. You're going to be seeing a little bit more of her. I think she does a great job.
She kind of bailed me out whenever I lost my voice.
Yeah, you were a little under the weather.
You were gone playing with Mickey Mouse, and Christy helped us out, so thanks for that.